Good morning, students. I am Narazum as faculty in High School at Tadpatri. So, dear 9th class students, in first part we discuss what is the coordinate geometry and also some important points. Yes, I am asking you what is coordinate geometry. Yes, the representation of a point on a plane with idea of two lines of references led to the development of new branch of mathematics called as coordinate geometry. So coordinate geometry also called as analytical geometry. Okay students, and again the famous French mathematician René Descartes developed the coordinate geometry. That's why we call it as father of coordinate geometry is René Descartes, but written as René Descartes. Okay. And again here we discuss some important how to locate a point on a graph sheet. So here observe the question. Draw x-axis and y-axis and mark the points P 4, 5, Q minus 4, 5, R minus 4, minus 5 and S 4, minus 5 students. Right? So observe the solution. So on a graph sheet or any paper, first draw a coordinate axis. Coordinate axis. You know very well the angle between x and y axis is 90 degrees. So let me consider x over x dash is x axis, y over y dash is y axis. So from right side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left side also minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and also minus 5. And top upward 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From downward minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and also minus 5. Okay, clear all of you? Right. Here, first P point 4, 5. X value is 4, y value is 5. So, like this. This is P. Next one, Q. Minus 4, 5. X value minus 4, y value 5. Select this. Minus 4, 5. This is Q. Next R value. Minus 4, minus 5. X value minus 4, y value minus 5. This is R. Next, S value 4, y value minus 5. Like this. So this is S. P, Q, R, S. This is the locate the points on a graph sheet, students. So P value that is 4, 5, Q minus 4, minus 5, R minus 4, minus 5. So Q value minus 4 and 5. S value 4, minus 5 students. We go for next problem. Right. Observe the question, students. Observe. Let us find out the quadrants in which the points lie. First one A 3, minus 4, B minus 3, 4, C minus 3, minus 4 and D 3, 4. So observe signs of a quadrants of a coordinates. So we know very well. So Q1 means that is plus and Q2 minus plus, Q3 minus and Q4. So it becomes plus and minus students. Okay, we know that. This one. Do the focus side. Then identify them. So here, no symbol means automatically plus is included. Plus minus it is fourth quadrant. So here Q4. This point lie in fourth quadrant. Next minus and plus it is second quadrant. So here this is Q2. And comes to minus and minus which quadrant? Yes, it is third quadrant, that is Q3. Next one D 3, 4, that means plus which quadrant? That is first quadrant. So it is Q1. It is Q1. So it's okay. This is the solution. So practice carefully, students. Right. Observe third problem, students. Here, draw a triangle ABC where the vertices are A, B, and C are A 0, 2 and 2, minus 2 is B and C minus 2, 2 respectively. Okay, here students, observe while approaching the solution given vertices of a triangle, given vertices of a triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. Okay. A coordinate, students. A, that is 0, 2. Next B 2, minus 2 and C minus 2, 2, students. Okay. So draw coordinate axis as usual. The coordinate axis, this is x, x o x dash, y o y dash, x y is of 0 to minus 4, 1 2 3 4, here minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. Next upward 1 2 3. Next downside minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. Here 4, let's say also no need to 4. You can take minimum values also, no problem. So first A 0. So when it is x coordinate is 0 on y axis, we know very well. So 0, 2, x value 0, y value 2, students, like this. Use dot circle. This is A. Next one, B points. B, x value 2, y value negative. Negative means go for downside, like this. This is B. Next is C. Minus 2, 2. X value minus 2, y value 2. This is C. Okay, students. So plotting the points is completed. Next, joining the points. Right. First, A to B by using scale, not hand. By using scale, join the points. Okay. Next, B to C. B to C. Next, C to A. Like this. This is the triangle A, B, C, students. Okay. Next, we go for another problem. Right. Observe, students, here also. Draw a rectangle PQRS in which the vertices P 1, 4, Q minus 5, 4 or minus 5, minus 3. And also S here, students. S 1, minus 3. Okay. First, plotting the points on a graph sheet and join PQRS. We can get a rectangle or not. We check it here, students. Yes. Solution given. Right. Draw a diagram carefully. Means draw a coordinate axis. Right. 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 comes to minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, comes to downside, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Okay, students, observe first of all. Plotting the P point 1, 4. 1, 4. So x value 1, y value 4. This is P. Next one. Q minus 5, 4. X value minus 4, y value 4. Minus 5, y value 4. This is Q. Next R value minus 5 minus 3. R value minus 5 minus 3. This is R. Next S 1 comma minus 3. X value 1, Y value minus 3. This is S. Observe students, signs of a coordinate axis. Here plus plus, that's why it is first quadrant. Next minus plus, second quadrant. Minus minus, third quadrant. Plus and minus, fourth quadrant. Is it clear all of you? Right. Joining the points. First P to Q or Q to P. Both are same, I thought. So both are same students, either distance QP or PP. Next QR. Next RS. Minus 5 minus 3. Take one more. Use scale, you can get best diagram students. So here, observe PQRS. PQRS is a rectangle. How it is possible? Observe. So minus 5 to 1 means totally 6 units in PQ along with RS and comes to this side. So here 4, here also 3. Total QR equal to PS equal to 7 units. So opposite sides are equal. That means it is PQRS is a rectangle students. We go for another problem. Right. Observe the question students again. Plot the points A 2 to B 6 2 and C 8 comma 5 and D 4 comma 5 in a graph sheet. Join all the points to make it a parallelogram. Find its area. What is area of a parallelogram formula? Base into height. Base into height. So first of all, plotting the points on a graph sheet students. So before that, we draw a coordinate axis like this. Observe carefully. Very, very important model problems. So here x value is 2, 6, 8. Up to 8. Y value is up to 5. Oh, like this type. X, O, X dash. So Y, O, Y dash. All are only positives. That means all are lie in first quadrants. Okay. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and also 6. Y values. Y values maximum 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and also 5. Okay, students, observe here. First one A 2 comma 2. X value 2, Y value also 2. Next one B 6 comma 2. B value 6, Y value also 2. Next C value 8 comma 5. X value 8. So and extension of X axis 7 and also 8. So 8, 5. X value 8, Y value 5. Next D 4 comma 5. 4 and also 5. Okay, students, first one A, this is B and also C and also D. Okay, clear I thought? Right. Join them first of all by using scale. AB, BC, CD and also DA. Okay. So ABCD is a parallelogram. Parallelogram means opposite sides are equal. How much value is 2 to 6 means 4 units here. Here also, observe here. So 3 to 7. So here also 4 units. Okay. And also we find height value. Observe height. D value here 5 D value and comes to A value 2. 5 minus 2 it becomes 3 units. 3 units. Okay, clear students? So in a graph sheet here, area of parallelogram equal to base into height. Base into height, which is equal to, what about the base value? 4 units. Height value 3 units. That is 4 into 3. It becomes 12 units. 12 units, students. That is the way of approximation. Take a graph, you can get the result easily. Okay, students, go for another problem. Yes, observe students, plot the points 2, 3, 6, 3, 4, 7 in a graph sheet. Join them to make it a triangle. Find the area of the triangle, students. So go for solution. Solution given points 2, 3, 6, 3 and also 4, 7. Yes, draw a coordinate axis as usual. Yes, 0. X value is maximum 6, students. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and also 7. X4, X dash. Here limited taken -1, -2, minus. Here no negative values. And upward, Y value is maximum 7. Yes, extension up to top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 also. Up to there. -1, -2, minus. Okay, first plotting the point on a graph sheet. 2, 3. X value 2, Y value 3. Next 6, 3. X value 6, Y value 3. Next 4, 7. X value 4, Y value 7. Okay, students, join them. Yes, the triangle is formed. Clear, I thought. Here 2 to 6, so that is 4 units, students. And the height, observe height here 7 and here 3. 7 minus 3 becomes 4 units again. Okay, so base of a triangle is 4 units, height of a triangle also 4 units, students. Then we find area of a triangle. Therefore here area of triangle equal to half into base into height. Half into base into height. So then that implies half into base value 4 units, height value also 4. 4 into 4. 2 ones, 2 twos. So 2 4 are 8 square units. 8 square units, students. This is the approximate of a solution. First to draw a coordinate axis. On right side positives, on top positives, on left negative, on down also negative. On plotting the points and join the points, automatically we can get a triangle. Then base values, observe the square numbers in the graph sheet. This then 4, height also 4. Using formula, we can get area of 8 square units. Observe in that totally 8 square units is there, students. And first draw a graph sheet, then count it, we can get the result easily, students. Okay, right. Yes, observe, students, here we discuss 2 important points. So first of all, draw a coordinate axis, x-axis, y-axis, and also points 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I give, observe. Plotting the points 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, and so on. Okay, students, here O means origin, having the coordinates 0, 0. Okay, na? Right. So 1, 0. x value 1, y value 0. Next to 2 comma 0, 3 comma 0, 4 comma 0. Okay students, all the points lie on x-axis. All the points lie on x-axis. That means what we conclude here? What we conclude here means, observe carefully, the points on x-axis, y coordinate is 0. Y coordinate is 0. Important point here students. So on x-axis, y coordinate is 0. Okay, and comes to second point. Yes, I take here reversely 0 comma 1, 0 comma 2, next 0 comma 3 and 0 comma 4. Plotting the points also. X value 0, this is 0 comma 1, 0 comma 2, 0 comma 3, 0 comma 4. So all the points lie on y-axis. So on y-axis, what about the x-coordinate? X-coordinate is 0. So on y-axis, x-coordinate is 0. X-coordinate is 0. Okay, and comes to third point students. Okay, here x equal to 2 into, we draw one line. This is x equal to 2 into, we draw one line. This line is parallel to y-axis, and we draw x equal to 3. This line also parallel to y-axis. So what we conclude about this? X equal to k. K replace, you can take 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever it may be. X equal to k is a line which is parallel to y-axis at a distance of k units from the origin. At a distance of k units from the origin. Okay. And fourth point students, observe. Next, y equal to 2, draw one line. This is y equal to 2 and y equal to 3. Also observe students, here also has the same. Y equal to 2 is a line which is parallel to x-axis. That means what we conclude? Y equal to k is a line which is parallel to y-axis at a distance of k units from the origin. K units from the origin. And also slope. So here slope, observe, the slope of x-axis is 0, but we cannot define on y-axis. So fifth one, the slope of x-axis. Learn carefully students. Slope of x-axis is 0, and slope of sixth point, y-axis not defined. That is, these are main important points on coordinate geometry also students. Learn carefully. Right, one more important problem students. This is the last problem. After this problem, I gave 4 homework problems. Practice in your house only students. So what about the first one? Observe. Construct a trapezium PQRS in which the vertices are P 3, 0, Q 7, 9, R minus 6, 9, S minus 2, 0 respectively. Okay students? Observe. First, I will draw coordinate axis while approaching the solution. Take more values. Only for negative also there. So that is 1, 2 positive values 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Negatives maximum minus 6. So 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Okay students, right. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 downside. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. Okay, plotting the points 3, 0, x value 3, y value 0. So on x axis y coordinate is 0. Q 7, 9, x value 7, y value 9. Okay. Seven, 8, 9. X value, okay, 7, y value 9. 7, y value 9. This one, x value 7, y value 9. Okay, this is P. Next, this is Q. Next, R value -6, 9. R value -6, and again y value 9. -6, 9. This is R. Next, S value -2, 0. X value -2, y value 0. This is S. Okay, students, join them. P and Q. Q scale and join them also. Yes. Yes, no. SP. So P, Q, or S is a trapezium. Students, you know very well. What is the area of trapezium? What is the area of trapezium formula? But here not asking the question. Area of a trapezium. Area of a trapezium formula. So, what is area of trapezium? A plus B. H of A plus. So here, students. But what he asked, only plotting the points on a graph sheet and join the points. So PQRS is a trapezium. If it is area, apply the area formula, you can get the result also, students. This is the way of approachment, students. And I gave 4 homework problems and learn carefully, students. Okay. Yes. Observe the homework problem, students. Draw x-axis and y-axis and mark the points A 3, 9, B 4, -7, C -8, 9, and D -3, -5. Second problem. Find out the quadrants in which the points lie. Number 1, P -7, 6, Q 7, -3, R -8, -7, S 3, 5, T 3, -9, Z -8, -13. Next, draw a triangle ABC whose vertices are A -3, 0, B 3, 3, and C -3, 3. So take a graph sheet, students. Last problem, and draw a triangle and find out the area of a triangle also, students. Okay. So totally chapter was completed, and remaining problems open textbook and practice thoroughly, students. Okay. Tomorrow we discuss next chapter. Okay, students. Thank you very much to watching this TV, to watching the video, students. Thank you.